The 2014-2015 Chevrolet Camaro ZL1. The Chevrolet Camaro ZL1 is the fastest and most powerful production Camaro to ever roll out of a General Motors factory, but that doesn't mean it can't be improved. For the 2014 Camaro ZL1, Chevrolet has given the supercharged monster a visual overhaul, added some new equipment and changed what colors are available. The result is a Camaro that looks better and performs better than ever before. With a Nurburgring lap time of 7:41, it also performs better than a massive collection of machines on the road today. From the aggressive body kit and the louvered hood, to the gargling and barking exhaust note, the latest ZL1 is ready to take care of business. What hasn't changed is the engine. The ZL1 is still powered by a supercharged V8 based on the incredible motor from the Corvette ZR1. It is one of the most powerful production V-8s in the entire world, and it turns the Camaro into one of the fastest cars in the world. Updated May 23, 2014, Chevrolet announced today details for the 2015 Camaro ZL1, with the only updates for the new year including the addition of a new blue velvet metallic exterior paint. This is the final model year for the 5th generation Camaro. Hit the jump to learn more about Chevrolet Camaro ZL1. Exterior. The exterior of the 2014 Chevrolet Camaro ZL1 is instantly recognizable, but features lots of obvious and noticeable changes. The new slimmer nose, revised headlamps and new rear fascia make the ZL1 match the fresh design that debuted on the standard Camaro last year. While many of the ZL1 exclusive exterior pieces look aggressive, they are all functional pieces that increase the performance of this impressive machine. The front fascia has large channels to funnel cool air to the brakes and the vented hood increases downforce. The front splitter applies a large amount of downforce, and the front tire deflectors help to reduce lift. The large rear spoiler on the Camaro adds about 150 pounds of downforce at speed. Red Hot bright yellow and red rock metallic exterior colors are the new additions for this year. Of course, if you prefer infinite headroom, the ZL1 is available in a convertible model. Chevrolet Camaro ZL1 exterior specifications. New for 2015. Blue velvet metallic exterior paint. Interior. The interior of the ZL1 is far from Spartan, but it was designed to promote performance above all else. 2014 increases the successfulness of that mission with new Recaro Performance front bucket seats. The new seats increase lateral support for track day driving. The ZL1 also comes with unique instrument panel inserts, and 2014 sees the addition of a color heads-up display as well as a color driver information center. A suede package can be ordered that puts the grippy material on the steering wheel and shifter. A power sunroof is also available for the coupe. Chevrolet Camaro ZL1 interior specifications. Drivetrain. The engine for the 2014 ZL1 is the supercharged 6.2-liter V8 codenamed LSA, which is based on the LS9 engine from the ZR1 Corvette. In the ZL1, this engine produces 580 horsepower and 556 pound-feet of torque. This engine comes mated to one of two transmission choices, a 6-speed manual or a 6-speed automatic. The 6L90 automatic has been strengthened to handle the power output of the LSA engine, but if you want to order this car without 3 pedals, don't order it. The Tremec MG9 6-speed manual is an uprated version of the TR6060 found in the Camaro SS and features a full 30% more torque capacity. That means that if you wanted to tune your ZL1 to produce even more power, the transmission is built to handle it. The MG9 also has improved shift feel and features a twin-disc clutch and triple synchros for the smoothest shifts. All the power is sent exclusively to the rear wheels, as it should be. Chevrolet Camaro ZL1 drivetrain specifications. Suspension. The suspension of the ZL1 is built using GM's magnetic ride control technology. The magnetic shocks are so advanced that Ferrari licenses the technology for use in many of its road cars like the 458 Italia. The system works in tandem with the Performance Traction Management System to increase stability and performance during track and street driving. The system features 5 separate user-selectable performance modes. A launch control mode is also included. Prices. Pricing for the new Camaro has increased slightly with a $350 premium over last year's base price, bringing the MSRP to $55,355. Considering the new interior tech and the revised exterior, that seems like a completely acceptable increase. 2014 Chevrolet Camaro ZL1 prices. Competitors: Ford Mustang, Shelby GT500. When it comes to insanely powerful muscle cars, not even the mighty ZL1 Camaro can trump the GT500. Its 662 horsepower V8 allows the GT500 to hit a top speed of 200 miles per hour, handily trumping the Camaro's 184 miles per hour top speed. The Camaro does handle better around a track though, thanks to its magnetic ride control suspension system. Chevrolet Corvette Stingray. It seems odd to cross-shop a true sports car with a tarted-up muscle car, but it will be hard for anyone walking into a Chevy showroom with $55,000 to take the Camaro over the newest Corvette. Yes, the Camaro is more powerful, but thanks to the Stingray's lightweight and better balance, it will beat the ZL1 in almost any performance battle. Conclusion: if you are looking for one of the best-performing muscle cars to ever be created, the 2014 Camaro ZL1 is hard to beat. Its LSA engine is immensely powerful, and its $55 grand asking price is a relative bargain. There are faster cars in the world, but you will be hard-pressed to find one faster for that little cash. When you consider that it also uses the same suspension technology that Ferrari uses in many of its road cars, you start to understand just how special this Camaro really is. Love it: immense speed and power, functional aero bodywork, bargain pricing. Leave it: Corvette will cannibalize sales, small rear seats, hard to see out of coupe.
If you liked this video, please share your thoughts in the comments below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button.